In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to boost sales with less ad spend using Google Ads. This guide is perfect for anyone looking to get the most out of their advertising budget while still driving significant results. Let's dive in and explore the steps to achieve this. First, you'll need to navigate to the Google Ads homepage. This is your starting point for creating and managing your online advertising campaigns, aimed at getting more customers and boosting your sales. Once there, look for the sign in option, which is usually located prominently on the page. Go ahead and click on it to access your Google Ads account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one to follow along. Now that you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Google Ads home interface. This is the central hub where all your campaigns and relevant data are accessible. From here, direct your attention to the top of the screen, where you'll see several tabs that form part of Google Ads navigation system. Focus on the one labelled Tools, which is often situated towards the upper right hand corner of your screen. Clicking on Tools will open a drop down menu with additional options for customizing and optimizing your ad strategies. The next step is to click on Budgets and Bidding. This essential area gives you control over how much you're spending and how your bids are managed. Adjusting these settings is crucial for ensuring you're not overspending and that your ads reach the right target audience effectively. Within this menu, you'll find an option labeled Bid Strategies. This is where you can fine-tune how Google distributes your advertising budget to achieve your desired outcomes. When you're ready, click on the plus icon. It might appear as a small button, but it's the gateway to creating new strategies or adjusting existing ones to better suit your objectives. One of the most impactful strategies you can select is Maximize Conversions. Selecting this strategy informs Google to automatically optimize bids in real time, securing more conversions within your set budget. This is particularly useful because it reduces manual work on your part while ensuring optimal use of each dollar spent. By following these steps, you've learned how to configure Google Ads to work smarter, not harder, for your business. Remember, it's all about strategic adjustments to get the best possible results without unnecessarily increasing your ad spend. As you gain more comfort with these settings, you'll discover the potential to tweak further and improve outcomes. Keep optimizing, and you'll see the benefits unfold in no time. Thanks for watching, and I hope you're excited to implement these techniques today.